Elise gets her first car at 7.5 months.
And it's an Audi, even worse. Are you ready, Elise? Beep beep.
Hold on. You have to hold on when you drive. Hold on.
Woohoo! Where are you going? Beep beep. Elise, look at mommy. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Are you coming around the corner? Are you gonna come get me? Beep beep. Beep 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 beep.
You gotta hold on. You gotta hold on. You gotta hold on.
Woohoo! We're going for a drive, huh, Elise? We're going for a drive? Checking out the stuff on the way? Taking out the sights? Wave hello, Elise. Say hello. Elise. There we go. Yeah, you say hello. All right. You sitting on there by yourself? Maybe we should say goodbye. Bye-bye.
See you in the go-kart track. You doing some maintenance? Checking out the tires? Gotta check your tire pressures. Yeah. Yep.